Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to edit a video in Clipchamp. So Clipchamp is a video editor that you can use on your phone or on your computer. So in this case, I'm going to use it on my computer. And then in Clipchamp, there are also templates that you can use like this. And to edit a video, you can just click on create a video at the top. And then here is the editor page like this. As you can see here, the templates will also be shown in the left panel. And to add a video to the timeline, you can just drag it, or you can just click on your media and click the plus icon to add the media. And then I'm going to browse the file from my computer, and then I'm going to add the media like this. It's preparing, and then you can just drag this video into the timeline like this. Okay, so this is my video. You can edit them as you like. There are templates that you can also add some music, and also you can add some filters. This is some music from the Clipchamp. You can also add some filter. I'm going to add some filters into my video. Okay, like this. And you can also add adjust the layout, the colors, and also the like the exposure, saturation, temperature, contrast. And I'm going to add some music. Okay, I'm going to add this. Just wait. Okay, the music has been added to my video like this. And then basically you can do everything in the Clipchamp. You can just explore this option, and then when you're done with the editing, just click on the export here, and you can choose the video quality of your edited video. Okay, so that's it for me. I hope this video is helpful to you. Don't forget to click like, leave a comment, and also subscribe our channel. See you on the next video.